How to disable sleep option on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the settings application on your device, and as you tap on settings of your device, scroll down and you'll be able to see the option of lock screen. So tap on lock screen and then you can see the option of sleep over here at the very first option. So tap on it, and as you can see right now there's 2 minutes of sleeping option that has been chosen. So what happens is, if you do not make any movement in the device for 2 minutes, then it will lock itself up. So in order to disable this option, all you have to do is you just have to tap on this never, and the phone or the device will not sleep over here, even if you have not touched, even if you have not had any movement in the phone. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notifications. See you next time.